Hi, this is Will and welcome to my second PhotoTouch tutorial for Aperture. Today I'm going to be talking to you about metadata and I'm going to be using the latest version of the software, Aperture 3. With version 3, Apple have made the general user interface for Aperture just that little clearer and slightly more intuitive. This is especially true for the metadata inspector and how it can be customized. But first let's start with the basic layouts for this newly imported project. With my project open, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Metadata tab at the top in the inspector here. And I'm also going to zoom in a little bit just to make it a bit clearer for the video. Now we can see that with an image highlighted, we've already got data. It's already come alive with information. I have the top window here showing me the basics, the photography basics for my camera. The camera model, the lens, the shutter speed, the aperture. Very, very useful information. As I click on each file, it then updates that information for me. At the bottom, we can see that I have some extra windows. Now, some of these I can click in, they're light grey, and some of them are dark grey, I can't change. The dark grey ones are EXIF information, that is to say it's more information from the camera, therefore it can't be changed, it's a fact. But the light grey boxes are these IPTC metadata fields. These are things that I can add. So you can see that I've already written my name. I can keyword as I wish. I can even write a little caption as well. So how much information I put in is entirely up to me. This might not meet my requirements or even my picture editor's requirements. So there are a lot of fields to choose from, and in this drop down menu here we can see that there are presets already built into Aperture. We've got name only, so if the only thing you're interested in is the file name, it's a very quick reference, it's the only bit of information that's there. If you want to see all of your information, we can go to EXIF, and if I zoom out just a little bit so we can take it all in, that is every bit of information about that picture, even down to the serial number of the camera it was shot on. Very useful for copyright. If you have a dispute with anyone about whether an image is yours or not, you can prove it with the serial number. If we go back to our preset menu, we can also see we have the IPTC menu. Now, this leaves us with just lots and lots of blank boxes to fill out. We don't have to fill out all of these if we don't want to. Again, it's a case of talking to the person that you're sending these images to, your picture editor, and working out which ones that they use. Or if you're just shooting for yourself, working out which ones are important for you to make sure that if you're going to upload images to a website, that at least your information is going with the images. If you add this information and then export the image to a client or to a website, it will all go with it. It will be embedded in the file as metadata. So, if it's just for yourself, things like the caption, the keywords, your name, even email and website would be useful. All of these can be adjusted. We can adjust these presets, and that's what we're going to look at next.